What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we unbox and review random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today we're not doing that. Today we're actually doing a giveaway. Bruh. We have partnered with the amazing keycap maker CraftKey. If you don't know CraftKey, I will be more than happy to bring him to your attention. If you have seen my video on the resin wrist rest that I made, you can see the quality work that these people made. Now today we're doing a giveaway for one of their Spaceship keycap series. All you have to do is comment, like, and subscribe. You guys already know the rules, and make sure that you're following CraftKey on Instagram. Once you have met those requirements, you will be automatically entered for the giveaway, which will be announced in 5 days from posting this video via Instagram and on the comment section down below. And if you have not seen their Spaceship keycap series, make sure to take a look because these things look really amazing. I don't own one, so I want to win myself, but I can't participate. So hopefully when I receive the one that I got on the way, I will be able to do a review for that as well. And remember, everyone, please don't subscribe just for the giveaway. Make sure that you enjoy the content we do here. We have people who really want to win these prizes and are in it to win it, and they go through the whole thing. And it's really cool. I really appreciate it. I don't take that for granted, and that's why I take my time to talk to partners and other companies to make sure that they want to participate in these giveaways too. Not only that they're helpful to the channel and they're helpful to whoever's doing the giveaway as well, but the main thing about the giveaway is to show appreciation to you all for watching the content, for being here, for being part of this journey. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. You know the deal. Remember, everyone, be kind to one another.